This is what my hair looks like when I come out of the shower and just let it dry. I'm a mushroom. Today, obviously a different vibe over here. I am going to attempt to do some drag makeup. Now, anyone who knows me will know that this isn't destined to go well because I'm not very good at the arts and craftsy style of things, and drag is definitely an artwork, and so it's probably not going to go well, but I'm going to give it a really good try. Like, I'm going to actually try and make it good, and I'm going to follow a drag tutorial online. I'll post the link in the description. So, you know, come with me on this journey. Let's get stuck in. Can't decide if I want cold, warm, or neutral. Okay, let's get the hair out of the face. Gorgeous! It's boiling, so I'm taking this top off. I know I've got a white top on, but it's old, and I actually wore this to dye my hair earlier as well, so it's got some henna hair dye stains on it anyway. I have grapes and a kombucha to keep me going. First thing I'm doing, spray my face with some toner water. I'm watching a different tutorial first because the one I'm watching doesn't hide their eyebrows. And clearly I've got this big bushy monobrow thing going on. First what he does is he takes moisturiser and he like taps it on like this. Can I just say I'm just passing the information on to you, so this isn't me teaching. If you're here to learn how to do drag, you've come to the wrong place. I'm just an appreciator of the art form who is just giving it a go. Right, I'm not gonna lie, this is the part that I've been actual dreading because gross. Gluing them eyebrows down. Oh. I already have a Kuzlik on my eyebrow. And if you don't know what a Kuzlik is, then why don't you go and watch my Scottish language video? Now, I do not have an eyebrow comb, which I know is kind of important, I think. Honestly, I'm completely unknowledgeable of all of this. I've just watched a few tutorials to work out which one I was going to follow. Oh, my face feels weird. Just so you all know, I got all my makeup. I got this massive bag of makeup from Ellen, but obviously due to the current, and actually any time I suppose in life we're not sharing makeup brushes, so I bought my own. I made an investment into this. Got these ones. Je dois commencer la journée en beauté. Beauté? Beauté? I don't know. I also got the Eco Tools ones because, you know, the environment and like stuff. Brushes just went everywhere. I'm using quite an old, quite cheap glue stick, so I'll try and use the little screen on my camera as much as possible, but the mirror is there for me, so. Okay, yeah, that feels like that is actually glued now. Yeah, I don't have a comb, but I have this wee brushy thing, so you know I'll be using that. Oh god. I have such bushy eyebrows. I think they're glued down. Nice passion fruit kombucha. ASMR. Oh my goodness, that's lovely. It's probably filled with sugar, but lovely.
Kind of to create more real estate, I glued.
Are you joking? The door's going. I like that with packages now, you just have to like show them you're there. So I just like stick my foot out the door and I'm like, thank you, and then they run off because they can't come in, you know, like no contact and all that. I'm just gonna use the brushes that I have that look the most like the ones that he is using. We're now colour correcting the outsides, or jaws, as if I have a jawline. These chubby cheeks. I really want to not do this terribly, but like, I also know that I don't know enough about this to do it justice. I don't think it counts as colour correcting when it's a completely different colour from your face. We're gonna just live with it. Now this is the part that I don't think will work for me, is that putting stuff on our eyebrows already. I can already hear people like scream at me like, you're doing this wrong, but like, this is what she's doing, but this just isn't gonna hide my eyebrows, they're so dark. Oh my god, it's like camouflage for my eyebrows, you can't even see they were there. This is actually the only bit of makeup that I'm using that was actually mine, that I used at the start of my first contract. I think that in order to be fair, I should just put this over my whole face. I'm taking the first move out of this thing. I'm sure I'll regret that later, but yeah, my first move away from the tutorial is to just do this to my whole face because it doesn't actually match my skin colour very well at all. So now the task is to get concealer and do a triangle. Lighter concealer than already on your face, but I just bet you that this is going to be darker. I just feel like it's not going to go as to plan as I want it to. This looks like genuinely terrifying. And then a bit down the nose. And then a circle at the top. Look how wrinkly. I actually look like I'm doing Mrs. Doubtfire makeup. Why do I look so old? I have successfully blended it all in to look like one colour. So I suppose I took the meaning of blending too literal. And then a little bit of darker foundation along the outsides of the jawline. She said darker and I said okay. Is this not just reversing the work that I did to hide the hair before? No? No? Step 2, contour. She goes like this. And she goes, hey. Oh, I did it too. It should be from up here. Well, no, above the ear. She's just not got hair because she bald. I've got these stupid sideburn things at the moment because obviously all the hairdressers are closed. Setting powder. Now, I used the big brush. Oh, I had an accident and I got some setting powder all over myself. Oh, my camera's gonna get so gross. Oh, more than half of it is going on the floor. I'm now apparently adding warmth. Oh god. The actual coat is not adding some warmth and not making you look so dry. So we're now taking the darkest colour that we have and putting it like above. Well, she said dark. Super duper uneven. People have told me I should be a drag queen before, and I've literally been like, I would never, ever, ever be able to do makeup. Ever. Now highlighting. I'm not telling you what type of makeup I use because, do you know what? That is not fair coverage of the brands because I am going to destroy all. Because I am not going to be doing them justice. This is like white. Maybe the warmer light will make me look a bit better. Nope. I look like I've just sniffed the arsehole of the Tin Man. Oh my god, I can't believe it's eyebrow time already and I still look this crazy. Maybe if I just get a brush and just like rub all over my face. Getting so many emails! The bit I've been dreading, the eyebrows. I know I'm not gonna do this any justice. There's one drawn out. Okay, I'm turning straight to the mirror here. Sorry, you're just gonna have to wait there at the side. These are not that asymmetrical. Now, I know they're not symmetrical, but I really, really thought it would be a lot worse than this. So I'm taking quite a sharp turn here. So maybe I'm quite angry, probably. Oh, that's definitely not what I was trying to do. But we have the shape of what Colin's eyebrows are going to look like. I'd say this is when it all goes wrong, but let's not lie, it all went wrong as soon as I started this video. Oh. Okay, no. I'll have to do. So this is unique to the version that I am doing, where I obviously I'm not talking to you right now because I've lost the lid of everything that I was just using. Obviously, where did I put the lid? Can't find lids, so yeah, this is unique to, obviously, to Valentina, where her eyebrows are the length. Here goes the first lines. Ugh. Guys, I was hoping that I would like find a fun new task or skill to get involved in, but like I'm honestly just so terrible at this. There's no room for improvement here. I suppose there's nothing but room for improvement, but like there's so many steps to take to get to a successful point. I'm now concealing underneath the eyebrows to clean up my eyebrows. However, my eyebrows are totally still visible, so my boy brows are still there because they be bushy. I should start this as a series. Colin tries to discover hidden talents. Doing drag makeup? Not one of them. Cutting the crease. Oh girl, she cut. She cut. She bled. She got stitches. I thought, okay, I'll do this one much better, and it went much worse. Looking for a warm, peachy color. Okay, this one's called Sun Kissed. Yep, so warm, peachy color. I took that to mean Cheeto dust or what's it fingers. Yeah, so that's happened. Yeah, she's happened. This is just so hard because I'm making an excuse as if it would have been good if you actually couldn't see my real eyebrows. I also used a black eyeliner to cut crease, which looks like this. I look like I sneezed into a makeup palette. Eyeliner. So I'm now following like the real folds of my eyelashes to make, not my eyelashes, my eyelids, to make the imaginary folds off my Why am I acting like I know what I'm doing? Is this run out? See, sometimes I'm like, hey, that's not too bad, and other times I'm like, interesting that you ever thought that that was gonna work for you. Walk like an Egyptian. We're now in a part called Finishing Touches and I still look like this. Putting in contact lenses, which I ain't gonna do. Mascara. Now, I don't really know if she gave me any mascara. This is what my hands look like, by the way. Mascara? Hello? Mascara? Elon, did you give me any mascara? What is this? Oh, I needed this about 10 minutes ago. Sometimes less is more and sometimes more is less. Anyway, mascara, hello. What are you? Glitter eyeliner. I don't even need it, but I want it. Oh my god, Colin, it's eyeliner, not eyeball liner. I just had to change my camera battery and that was a whole ordeal. I really can't find any mascara, so I'm applying the lashes onto my crease. Think that I've sufficiently glued it and then just put it like. The lashes are on. She's putting on jewels here, but I don't have jewels, so.
Oh, we did it, girl. The crystals are on, girl.
Blush time. It's so dark. I'm like, my blush fills my contour, and that's just part of who I am as a drag queen, so. Bjork, coming at you. Just got to the end of the tutorial and just didn't do a lip. Okay, so I'm using this lipstick. And because it's drag, I'm doing it a little over my actual lips. Now I know that lip liner is a thing, but I don't want to try and find it. Whoa, the big reveal! Ta-da! So we'll see what it looks like in the warm. Ooh, it's so warm in here. Ooh. These brows. This Willy Wonka Impa Loompa. Yeah. What about in the cold setting? Yep, just as bad. Can confirm it's just as bad. So no potential there. We'll continue to look for something I'm good at. I'm punk rock. Maybe if we go like really far back, it'll be better. Oh my god, why have I done it again where I could get like the whole way through a video and then realise that my dad nice underwear is hanging up behind us. God's sake. I'm gonna actually cry whilst I wash this off. God, what an offence this is to anyone who actually does this for a living. Hello drag queens, hi there, hi guys, don't worry, I appreciate your art form very much. And clearly I don't have the skill or talent that it takes to beat you. So, hats off to you guys. Let's go wash this off.